Bob Kraske with DCI Products, and today we're going to talk about the SmartVent Mid Roof application. The main reason why you would put SmartVent in the middle of the roof is if airflow from the soffit area is blocked by a knee wall or insulation, or you have open rafter tails. You will move the SmartVent up from the eave as many courses as it takes to ensure air is entering the attic space. You want to place the SmartVent at the lowest point that will allow air to enter the attic to maximize airflow through the length of the rafter bay. Then you'll measure up 6 inches from where the SmartVent will go and cut your 1-inch slot from 6 inches to 7 inches. Remembering to set the depth of the saw to match the decking so you are not cutting into the rafters. Then install SmartVent exactly as you would at the eave with ice and water and a starter shingle over the SmartVent with a 1/2 inch overlap. If you have any questions or run into unique challenges, just pick up the phone and call us, and let's vent.